Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown, the Look Weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards the middle to latter portions of November. I know it's hard to believe that we are 2/3 of the way through fall. Actually, we only have a couple of weeks left until we enter into meteorological winter, which is on December 1st, which is when our weather patterns tend to start to point more towards winter-like weather as opposed to fall-like weather. And by the time we get to the end of next period, we are actually only a month away from the official start of winter. Now, as we start out our period on Friday, we're going to be seeing temperatures that are going to be pretty average, which is something we haven't seen too much of over the past few weeks here in the Burlington area. It's going to be kind of chilly out there. We've been used to those really warm Fridays we've been having. Temperatures that have been way up in the 60s and 70s. Looks like those temperatures are pretty much gone for now. As we round out our period getting in towards the end of next week, again, we should be seeing temperatures at this time of the year only around 50, and that's pretty much where we're going to stay. Might have a couple of days above average here and there next week, but pretty much overall a fairly normal week. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at the climate prediction center is calling for us in terms of temperatures and precipitation over the next 7 to 10 days. Again, nothing new here. They are calling for us to have a chance of above average temperatures here in the Burlington area and the rest of southern New England. I'm seeing that a little bit. We might be a little bit warmer than average as we head into this weekend and the start of the work week, but overall nothing like we had been seeing, nothing like we've been seeing when we were in the 70s and 80s only about a week and a half ago. And looking at our precipitation chances, this is kind of an interesting one. They're calling for us to have above average precipitation. Now, looking at what I was looking at in my data with the National Weather Service graphs and everything, I really wasn't seeing much of that. So not sure what they're seeing on their map there, but I think it's going to be continuing to be a pretty dry period. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up. And again, starting up here on Friday, yes, unfortunately, it is going to be cloudy, very breezy out there on Friday. We are going to be missing a very powerful ocean storm that's going to be backing into far eastern Maine. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's going to be throwing any precipitation down here into the Burlington area, just providing us with a cloudy, chilly, windy day here with temperatures only in the low 50s. Now, thereafter, as we get into the weekend, that storm is going to depart, start moving away from us, and the sun is going to come out, and temperatures are going to rise back up into the upper 50s to near 60 on Sunday, so pretty nice out there, and not too cold at night either. Now, as we get in towards Monday, we're going to see that chance of clouds returning as we see another front moving through. Again, doesn't look like we're going to be seeing much precipitation out of that. Temperatures will be knocking us back down into the low to mid 50s, and by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, there is a chance that we could see some spotty shower activity. We're going to have to see how much of that really develops into anything, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to be getting any appreciable rain out there again for another 7 to 10 days here in the Burlington area, with temperatures pretty much ending out about average, maybe slightly above, with temperatures in the mid-50s by Thursday. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.